In this case, I want to retire it from the case also.
Retire?
Yes, my lord.
Why, sir?
There is no proper instructions in this case, my lord. That's why I am seeking adjournment.
ನಿಮಗೆ
Because they are in
instruction ಇಲ್ವಾ?
custody. They are in.
ದರ್ಶನಿಗೆ ನೀವಾ?
Yes.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು
Thank you,
ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ
my
ಕೋರ್ಟ್
lord.
ಇಂದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
There is no direction, my lord.
ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ 60 ವಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು-
ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. They have got
ಇದು
direction.
ನೀವು
I
ಯಾವ
put it.
ನನ್ನ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ ಅವರು?
They had not prayer under 154 evidence.
I am appearing for R2, 11 and 12, my lords.
ಈಗ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅದ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ನಡಿ ಮುಗಿಲಿ.
I am seeking adjournment, my lords.
Why, sir?
Because, my lords, I am representing before the trial court, my lords. In this case, I want to retire it from the case also.
Retire?
Yes, my lord.
ವೈ ಸರ್?
There is no proper instructions in this case, my lord. That's why I am seeking adjournment.
ನಿಮಗೆ
Because they are in
instruction ಇಲ್ವಾ?
custody. They are in custody, my lords.
ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಈಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ನೀವ್ ಯಾರು?
For respond number 4, 6 to 10.
ಯಾರದು?
13, 15.
The
Rangnath
other-
Reddy. RR.
ದರ್ಶನಿಗೆ ನೀವಾ?
Yes.
Seek adjournment, Your Worship.
ನೀವು ಅಡ್ಜನ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಮುಗಿಯಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Amla, trial is going on in the war
Will
footing.
not
my
go
lords.
on now.
Trial is going on this the way of the war footing because of the Prasanna Kumar sir is appearing.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
There is no direction, my lord.
ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ 60 ವಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು-
ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. They have got
ನೀವು
direction. I
ಯಾವ
put it.
ನನ್ನ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ ಅವರು?
They had not challenged your lordship's order. In
ಯಾವ್ದು?
petition. Please.
Not food, my lord. No.
Food. Howda?
My lords,
150.
we challenge. There was a 2 prayer before
ಅಲ್ಲ
the honorable
ಫುಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್
Supreme
ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
Food, not food order, my lords.
ಛೆ,
Not your lordship's order, my lords.
ಮತ್ತೆ
We challenge it, my lords. The ill treatment given by the jail authorities before the to the accused number
Virtually
2, my
not
lords.
your lordship's order. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ತಿರ್ಗಾ
No,
jail
my
authority
lords. No, no,
directed
no. I'm
to
sorry,
give
I'm apologizing.
details as to what is the food being given.
ನನ್ನ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
No, my lords.
ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
No, my lords, we are not challenging your lordship's order, my lords. It was not produced before the
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ,
honorable
ಏನ್
Supreme Court
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
also.
Virtually
No, we are
same
not producing
prayer.
the Supreme Court before the Supreme Court also, my lords.
ಹ್ಮ್.
There, my lords, it was a prayer, my lords, 2 prayers, one a delay in trial, and another, my lords, the ill treatment by the jail authorities, my lords. They are not providing. Well, my lords, your lordship has held in detail how to consider the while granting the home food, my lords.
ಹ್ಮ್.
And we are not on that issue. We were not on that issue, my lords. Only we were before the Supreme Court, my lords, on the ground of delay in trial. So, my lords, for about 9 months, they conducted only 9 witnesses, 10 witnesses, my lords. Then, my lords, now the honorables, they themselves made a submission before the honorable Supreme Court that, my lords, we are going to examine 60 witnesses within a period of 1 year. Then the honorable Supreme
ಆಯ್ತು,
Court has
ಈಗ
directed that.
This is without treating the witness hostile.
ಹೌದು.
Whether leading questions can be put in the nature of cross examination. That's all the issue.
No, my lords,
That is covered in 2025 judgment.
no, my lords, there is a other
Tamil
justice
Maran
also,
Nodi.
my
May I
lords.
just pass
The
on?
trial court, my lord.
Tamil Maran Nodi.
Yes, my lord. I have seen your lordship's observation day before yesterday, my lord. Even the trial court, their specific objection that, my lord, the prayer was that, my lord, the prosecution wants to cross-examine the witness on the particular issue, my lord.
Correct.
Well, when, my lord, the defense has specifically posed a question to the victim, the mother of the deceased,
Hmm.
my lord, it is a definite case of the prosecution and also the defense that, my lord, the weapons were seized on 11th itself, my lord.
Hmm.
When the defense has posed the question to the mother of the victim, she admits that, my lord. It is there in the record also, and the documents are marked at D series. Now the prosecution shows that, my lord, the weapons were seized on next day, 12th, and now they are saying that, my lord, it is contrary. The evidence, the answer given by the mother of the deceased,
That's why it is rejected.
that's why it is rejected. It is there, my lord. The weapons were very much available to the investigating officer on 11th itself, on 11th morning itself. That's why, my lord, the honorable court has rightly rejected their prayer. And even, my lord, from
So that he is
1967.
completing, not I'll reply to this. ಮುಗಿದೇ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ
Judgment
ಕೇಸ್.
of this honorable court, my lords, honorable Mysore High Court, my lords, 1967. The similar issue was come up before the this honorable court. Then it was
ಅಲ್ಲ 2025 ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ತಮಿಳ್ ಮಾರನ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
it is in my favor, my lords. My lords, 2025 Tamil Maran, it is in favor of the defense.
ಹ್ಮ್.
I'll distinguish, my lords, if I appears in this case, my lords.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿನೇ, ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮುಗಿದೋಯ್ತು, ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, my lords, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್.
ಯಾಕೆ ಈಗ ವಕಾಲತ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು?
What he is doing? ನಾವು 3 ಪೇಜ್ ಚೀಫ್, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು 100 ಪೇಜ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್
They say
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
not that there is delay in trial. It is not
Honorable
our
Supreme Court
instance.
says that, my lord, similar submission was made before
ಹೌದು.
the Honorable Supreme Court. Then Honorable Supreme Court says that no one can curtail the right of cross
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
examination.
So delay is not at my instance ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. You have right. So you can ask 100 pages question.
Yes, no
And
one
then
can curtail
complain
it,
that
sir. No one can
In
curtail
a
it.
case of murder, cross examination
ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, ಅಲ್ಲ ಡಿಲೇ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ
I
ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ.
am facing
Delay
the
ಅವರು
charges of
their
302.
instance.
I am facing the charges of 302. The serious capital punishment can be given. Now they are saying that, plus they are cross examined 10 pages, 10
No,
pages. No
that
one
is
can
not-
curtail it.
No, I'm not.
There is no
Or
bar in the
not-
evidence.
They
act.
can't
There is a
attribute
question,
delay
ಏನಾದ್ರು
to
ಮಾಡಿ.
me. No, they can't attribute delay to the
ನಾನು
prosecution.
ನಾನು
Delay in trial ಅಂತ
ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ,
ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
sir, ಅಂತ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಡಿಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ
ನಾನು
ಮೇಲೆ
ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅದನ್ನ.
ಈ
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ
submission-
ಹೇಳಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ
ಪೂರ
sir?
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಡಿಲೇ.
He say, I went to Supreme Court because there was delay in trial.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಮೆಲರ್ಸ್
ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನಿಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ.
this is settled law ಮೆಲರ್ಸ್. Even Prasanna Kumar sir also knows ಮೆಲರ್ಸ್ 1000 bail applications can be filed. Any number of bail application can be filed ಮೆಲರ್ಸ್.
1000 ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದಾ?
Any number of bail application ಮೆಲರ್ಸ್ from the 1976 Babu Singh. But ಮೆಲರ್ಸ್ the law says that ಮೆಲರ್ಸ್
Change
change in
Same
circumstance.
circumstance ಇರ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ.
Any number of bail application. Not ಮೆಲರ್ಸ್ I said ಮೆಲರ್ಸ್ 1000 applications ಅಂತ.
Only
Any
on
number of
CC
bail.
you can file.
Yes. Change in circumstance.
ಎಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಯಾವ
I'm ready, madam, I'm ready.
ಇವರು ಆಯ್ತು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಿದ ಅವ್ರ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮುಗಿದಿದೆ. ಒಂದೇ
ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ. ನಾಳೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳ
Monday or Tuesday ಮೆಲರ್ಸ್.
ನಾನು
Monday or Tuesday.
ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್
ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೆ ನಾಳೆ ಇರ್ಲಿ.
ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಲ್.
ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, their prayer is call
ನಾನು
for
stay
records
ಕೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮೆಲರ್ಸ್.
I will not go on
ಅವ್ರು
with
ಯಾಕೆ
trial.
ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ?
I requested Prasanna Kumar sir, call for records ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ, then we'll take another
ಅದು
advantage.
ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಅದು. ಅಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ.
That is their prayer ಮೆಲರ್ಸ್. Kindly see their prayer. Call for records is nothing but stay.
ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಫೈನಲಿ. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿಸ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ.
I'll inform client.
ಐ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್. ಯಾವತ್ತಿದೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಡೇ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ವೆನ್ಸ್ಡೇ 3 ದಿನ ಇದೆ.
Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday.
To be honest, there is no breathing space for any advocates in that case, Your Worship.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇವು ಟೈಮ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಬಂದು ಬ್ರೀತಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಈಗ
Because
ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ
every day the trial is being conducted.
And even ಮೆಲರ್ಸ್ the trial court, when we raise a particular issue on legality, yesterday also ಮೆಲರ್ಸ್ raise a serious objection on the marking of the CCTV footage without the 65B certificate. Then the presiding officer says that ಮೆಲರ್ಸ್ you cannot argue at length because this is a direction matter. You cannot. The presiding officer mentioned in the order sheet.
Legal issues
Let him not simply attribute something.
Whatever it is.
Not what
There is
learned
order
presiding
sheet
officer said was, both of you are sufficiently seniors in the bar. Don't say judgment. We should go to the root of it. They write only this.
You cannot.
ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಿಷ್ಟೇ, 65B ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ಯೂರಬಲ್ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನು.
65B ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. That was the only question he'll want. You 1940.
Supreme Court says 65B need not be produced along with the footage,
Yes.
electronic evidence, in the trial, in the course of the trial, prior to its conclusion, before the presiding officer would take note of the evidence, it should be on.
ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. For this, he argued for 1.5 hours. The judge said, no, don't
Not
argue
only
for this
me,
small
not
issue for
only
1.5
me,
hours.
ತಾವು argue-
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದಷ್ಟೇ.
ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು.
ಅವ್ರು argued-
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು.
That is the settled law. Sir.
That is settled law.
Prasanna Kumar sir not considered ಮೆಲರ್ಸ್. Initially he considered it, then he argued it ಮೆಲರ್ಸ್ by relying the judgment of the honorable
ಅವ್ರೇನ್
Supreme Court.
ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ?
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಫಸ್ಟ್.
No, I said
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
it is- no,
Then ಮೆಲರ್ಸ್
it's
seriously
really
argued
not.
that I related the 2026 Supreme Court judgment. He related 2024
No,
judgment.
it's
settled.
during the course of trials.
During course of ಅಷ್ಟೇ, that was the only issue
ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್
involved.
ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆ there should be a certificate.
Certificate.
That was the only thing involved.
ಮುಂಚೆ it used to be that without that you can't file at all.
Mark.
That's now dilute.
It's not diluted.
In Chandraban's case ಮೆಲರ್ಸ್ it is diluted and subsequently Purnamal.
ಪೂರನ್ಮಲ್.
ಇದನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 1 hour ಉಳಿತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ
ಅದು ಇವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
Purnammal ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Consent
ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ.
It
Consent
says
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
it's completely diluted in Purnammal.
Completely.
During the trial, at any time you can file it.
Sir related ಮೆಲರ್ಸ್ the state of Karnataka versus T. Nazir. In that judgment ಮೆಲರ್ಸ್ first time Supreme Court says that it can be produced at the latest stage.
ಹೌದು.
And subsequently Chandraban says ಮೆಲರ್ಸ್ while discussing the Panwar PV, in that judgment ಮೆಲರ್ಸ್ says that the opportunity can be given to the prosecution, but it has to be produced along with the charge sheet, and you have to supply the copies at the time of 207 and 207.
Separately certificate later it can
later
be
also
filed.
can be. Yes. Please.
Much.
ಸುನಿಲ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಟೇಕ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ.
I have filed memo for parents ಮೆಲರ್ಸ್. If
ಸರಿ,
they
ಮತ್ತೆ
want to
ಇನ್ನೇನು
change it,
instruction?
ನಾನು ಸರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಮೊ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಹೆಸರು ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
they want to change it,
advocates
ಮೆಲರ್ಸ್
not whom I have
give
served.
memos and
ಎಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು?
I want to retire from this case ಮೆಲರ್ಸ್.
ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆನ್ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ, ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ
Yes.
ಫೈನಲಿ.
Great.